When it comes to opening up a database, it's pretty simplistic. I mean, just go to the folder, double-click on the file to open it up, or better yet, they have different access modes to your database. For example, click on the File tab, go to Open, and then go ahead and select a file that you want to open up, and instead of just double-clicking on it, come down here and click on the corresponding drop-down arrow next to the Open button, and you have all these different access modes. Besides the generic Open, you also have Open Read Only, which means that once you open it up, you can only read it. You can't make any changes to it. So if I open up a table, try to come in here and delete, type over it, it doesn't allow me to do it. And that can be good for if you hired on a new employee and you want them to become familiar with this database. Open it up in read only. That way when they come in here and they accidentally hit a key, it's not like oops. And then if they want to go ahead and make changes, they have to go ahead and save it under a different file name. That way it doesn't overwrite any changes they make the original file here. Let's go ahead and click on File, go back to Open. Let me go ahead and select the integration file, click on Open. We have Open Exclusive, which we went over in an earlier training video when it came to setting a password to our database. But in short, when you open it up exclusively, only you have access to the database in read and write mode. No other user can open up this database. Then we have Open Exclusive Read Only, which is interesting because when you do this, everybody, including you, has access to it, but can only read it. They can't make any changes to it. And then Show Previous Versions. If there are earlier versions that were saved or backed up by your operating system, it'll show it. So let's go ahead and select it. There we go. There's one yesterday. There's one a long time ago. Then I can go ahead and open it up and see what the earlier version was, what the changes were as compared to yesterday's version, and keep the one that I want, maybe save that to a folder so I can go ahead and have access to it without having to come back here into earlier versions of it. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.